Rochelle Bautista, sa harap ng ating pamilya at mga kaibigan, pinipili kita araw-araw habang buhay. I promise to be here for you. Kapag masaya ang buhay, makikisaya ako. Kapag mahirap ang daan, hindi kita iiwan. When you are strong, I will celebrate with you. When you are weak, I will stand beside you and hold you up. I vow to love you not only when it is easy, kundi lalo na kapag kailangan ng tiyaga, pangunawa at sakripisyo. Pangako kong makikinig, magpapatawad at lalago kasama mo bilang asawa, bilang kaibigan. And I will lead our family with love, humility and prayer. Ikaw ang tahanan ko, ang pahinga ko, at ang panalangin kong sinagot. Wherever life takes us, whatever tomorrow brings, nandito ako. I will stay. I am not perfect. Sometimes I make you mad. Forget important things and say dumb stuff. But no matter what, you're the love of my life. If I could give you one thing in life, I would give you the ability to see yourself through my eyes. Only then would you realize how special you are to me. I will not marry you so I could live with you. I will marry you because I cannot live without you. I love you forever and always.